Bro, we are going to Hudayriat Island. Yeah.
Coffee? Ito, tumutuloy na kami
Look at the view.
sa isla. View.
Is it here, bro?
Yeah, this one beach.
No. The one with the bus stop. You know bus 71? Where's the last stop of that bus?
Wala nga rin.
It should be on the other side, right? Other side.
Okay.
Because there's a bus here going, that number 71 bus. It's going here, right? So I need the bus stop of that. Let me type it here. No, not bus 71. Shoot. Just give me a minute, huh? Can you check this? See, we are here. The route is too far.
Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna go here.
Okay. Somehow we were lost.
Muntik na, but it's just not so far naman pala.
So ito yung Hudayriat Island na pinagmamalaki ng Abu Dhabi. So
Na kami isla.
actually mas maganda siya pag gabi kasi nga may
So,
mga
hanggang
pailaw,
mamaya
of
pa kami
course.
Mga sunset. Wow, look at that! Okay, let's go guys. Nakikita niyo ba yung dagat? Gusto ko nang tumalon.
So yun, mainit nga lang pero we will check.
Pero yung init hindi siya malagkit ha. Walang kalagkit-lagkit siya.
Yun lang yung advantage dito. Mainit siya, parang binubugahan ka ng oven pero okay naman siya. Hindi
see?
siya malagkit na parang manggigitata ka sa
Diba?
lagkit.
Ang ganda dito.
So see, this is the beach life in the UAE. So like Saudi, Qatar, Bahrain. So ito.
So,
Are you ready?
I am ready.
So punta kami sa sa pinaka waterfront. Wow. Waterfront. Pinaka beach side.
Hindi tayo masyadong mapanis.
Hello bro. Diba? Meron pa silang malaking signage. Nag-invest talaga sila sa sa island na to. Ayun lang. Ganito ang vibes dito. And of course, as a Filipino, this is something new. Even though na sa Pilipinas ay marami tayong beach.
So yan, we're going home na in a while.
We're just waiting for the sunset, which is there.